Sasabik sa unang araw ng eskwela. Taas kamay with confidence. Let's do the birthday hop!
Subana ko ikaw sa labot ni Cassie. Tinuod lang hindi ko ba nang malinis si Cassie. It's something like she's doing everything for hindi naman. Anana, if you have a problem with her, sabihin mo sa kanila directly. I'm just telling the truth. So, ganun pa lang tingin mo sa akin? Cassie, wait! So you could have told me directly, Alhena. Mas masakit pa yung nalaman ko sa ganitong paraan. Alhena, should have thought about my feelings first. Nakiramdam ko man lang sana. We need to consider how our words affect others.
Alhena!
Alhena! Wait! After what she did, she's hurt. We need to help her first. Stay still. Help is coming. Cassie, why are you helping me? Because whenever happens, you're still my friend. I won't leave you whenever you need help. Kyle, help!
Oh, let me help you.
Cass, I'm sorry. After everything I said about you, ikaw pa rin ako nang tumulong sa akin. Oo, nagalit ako at nasaktan ako. Pero ayoko naman pinamasaktan. I understand now. I let my own anger and my own judgment control me.
But instead of making the conflict worse, Cassie chose pakiramdam. She understood that Alhena needed help.
That's also kapwa. We don't stop treating people with dignity just because we have conflict.
Alhena, kailangan mo rin pananagutan. Admit what you did and make things right.
I will. I'm sorry, Cass. I should have talked you directly instead of talking behind your back. I accept your apology. We can work on rebuilding the trust again.
Times, hindi palagay ang loob can heal. We choose honest communication instead of revenge.
And also, the person who will hurt us can be the same person who will remind us what kindness really means.
And that is kapwa. We can still choose to make things right.